Alright guys, this is a video tutorial on how to remove the left or right light bulb from a 2004 Runner. Basically it's going to be the rear left light bulb because it was out. If you don't have anybody to help you check the brakes, you got to improvise. Here in the beautiful state of Oklahoma, everybody has one of these. If you don't have one of these, then you might want to find something about that length. Please ignore the seat. I know it's ripped, no big deal. So, bulbs are working. Obviously I've already changed it, but I'm just going to make it a little quicker for you guys. What you want to do is unscrew that screw, the bottom one. Just like that. Pop it to the left. You're going to have two clamps in there. Okay, there it is. And there they are. I want to lay it down. The one you're going to be replacing is going to be this one right here. Left to unlock, right to lock. Remember that. So there it is, nice and shiny. You hook it up to the clip right there. Put it back in. Till it clicks. Make sure the wire harness is nice and set tight. Don't want to pinch the wires. I have to go spend some more money. As you can see, I got it aligned. Pop back in place like that, and make sure the holes align. Boom, boom. Get one screw. Screw it in place. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. And there you go. You just learn how to do that in less than 4 minutes. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks, guys.